Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. I'm just here to show you how to install your USP jet funnel mag 9/40 on your USB. Simple and easy. There are some tools that you might need, maybe like an Allen wrench or 1/10 push press, but it should be pretty simple and straightforward. You will have to have your gun emptied. Make sure it's safe. Good, it is safe. What I'm gonna do is just standard disassemble your USB. So I'm doing this behind the camera. So I'm trying to look through the camera focal lens. You don't need this. So what you've got to do is drop it down. Make sure it's all the way depressed. I just want to take this off. You can actually do this with the slide on. I just want to show you with it off. Makes it a little bit more easy to hold and a little bit more manageable to use. So the gun, the tool kit should come in this plastic package, whether you buy it from HK USP web store or a third-party retailer like I don't know, gun broker or wherever you find, should have these tools in it. I'm just gonna pop this open. Like I said, this is brand new, so I'll try to do this in one take for you and do it behind the camera. So it should have this part here, this extension part, which basically will replace this part right here. And looks like a roll pin and a screw. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop these out. Parts right there, part right here. I'm just gonna take a push press. Usually this would probably work, right? I think. Yes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push this down, hopefully not mar my slide, and hope for the best. Oh boy, man, these are tight. Find one that works. Okay, so there you go. Pushed it out the way. Hold this because it might shoot out. Pull this out slightly, wiggle it, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hopefully my janky tripod doesn't fall. Okay. I'm about to cut this part out because it is stuck in there like a son of a gun. Okay, pushed it out, and look at that. That thing will pop right out. So please be careful holding this, and yeah, it's just gonna hold off loosely. So this is your original, and these two are your original. So put this aside, and these are your new ones that you're gonna use to retain this in. So you'll take this, line this hole up with this thingy here. I'm probably gonna miss it because I'm trying to do this behind the camera. Try and get that in the hole there. Gently. There you go. Oop. Pause this really quick. So that thing just sprung out. Sorry about that. So you just gotta hold tension on this, FYI. Don't make the same mistake I did. Okay. Once that's in, put the roll pin that's gonna hold it in place that came with the set into the hole. This part you'll probably find like a hammer or mallet, or a mallet will do. I don't have either, so I'm just gonna try to take an Allen wrench and push it down. If that doesn't work, I'll find something else, but the gist of it is you take that, put this like here, put the screw in, and that's it. Okay, that was a quick cut. So where we left off was me trying to push the roll pin in. That was part of the jet funnel assembly that came with it. I took a wooden dowel, pushed it in, try to avoid marring up the slide. I don't have the tools for it, so that sucks for me. That's what I did. I kind of got it on. Next step, you just place this over. So the screw, there's a hole right here. Just match it up. Just fit right in. And people like to put, I think, blue or red and Loctite on it. I'm okay with putting anything on it right now. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just trying to show a quick video. Okay, so basically that's it. Gun goes on. That's it. No bullets in the chamber, no mags in. It looks like something's loose. I'll probably check everything else. All right, but that's basically it. Thanks for watching.